severe thunderstorm warning for Edgar County, Vermillion County, Champaign County, Eastern Douglas County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buckley to near Newman, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. At 1:35 p.m., a 67 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Champaign Airport. The following impacts are expected.
Looks like it's in the city of Champaign.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Potomac, Rankin, Homer, Oakwood, Hume, Allerton, Fairmount, Kithian, Ogden, and Sidell around 1:50 p.m. Catlin and Chrisman around 1:55 p.m. Vermillion Regional Airport, Georgetown, Hoopeston, Rossville, Westville, Tilton, Ridge Farm, and Danville around 2 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 211 and 232, and between mile markers 237 and 257. Interstate 74 between mile markers 179 and 220. During severe weather, keep these safety rules in mind. Move to a Tones for Kankakee, Will, and Iroquois counties in Illinois, as well as... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern
It looks like severe thunderstorm warnings way up northeast.
Severe thunderstorm was located over Algonquin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. At 1:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Paxton, moving northeast at 55 miles
I didn't mean Crystal Lake.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected. Significant thunderstorm risk this afternoon with an associated level 2 Russell, Waukegan, Wadsworth, Volo, Round Lake, Long Lake, Third Lake, Barrington Hills, and Lake Castle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Thunderstorms are possible this afternoon primarily around in southeast of the line from LaSalle County to the northern Chicago suburbs. All modes of severe weather are possible, including large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through
That's way up there.
Tuesday night, limited thunderstorm risk with an associated